So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started.
So that was why Uber drivers are quitting. This is why so many Lyft drivers are quitting. There's actually a article on the Rideshare Guy. So the Rideshare Guy is a Uber blogger. He blogs about Uber and Lyft and gig work. So it's a really popular blog site. But he made a article called "Gas Prices Are Rising. What should Uber and Lyft drivers do?" You gotta read this?
Yeah. According to AAA, the national gas price average is $1.67 more expensive than this time last year.
By the way,
go
check out the. I do want to make sure we do give a shout out to him. So go check out his website, therideshareguy.com.
Yeah. It's a good website.
Not trying to steal his content, just like there's a little mini collab without his permission. I mean, it's on the internet. Come on. It's free game, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to step on his toes, though, so go check him out. Okay, continue.
But yeah, drivers are asking, how can drivers of rideshare and other top delivery services save money at the pump? Senior RSG, Rideshare Guy contributor Paula Gibbons tackles questions surrounding rising gas prices and what drivers can do about it below.
Yeah, so I mean, this is like crazy because gas prices, look how higher it's been, $1.67 since last year, higher, but Uber rates and Lyft rates haven't gone up. So it's just drivers are forced to accommodate higher expenses. By the way, even like with the price of inflation, like the cost of maintaining your vehicle's gone up. Like the cost of labor has gone up. So these car mechanic shops, they have to raise their price on an oil change, for instance, or raise their price if you need to change your brake pads. Like these things go up because they have to pay their workers more. Their rent's going up more. They have to raise the price in order to accommodate to pay their employees. So in consequence, you as a driver are paying more when your car breaks down and more with gas. But is Uber and Lyft raising the rates to accommodate that? No. It's literally you're making the same amount of money. So that's why a lot of drivers are quitting. Yeah, impact on expenses. How can drivers offset rising gas prices? Unless you have an electric car, you're going to have to pay for gas. You can use one of the gas apps. This is a really good point. Look at this. Do one extra ride or delivery per day. So basically, the way you can combat this is literally just work more. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Upgrade your car. This one I highly disagree with. I do not think it's a good idea to go just buy a new car that has better gas mileage because you're literally paying way more money.
Yeah, but if you're looking for a new car anyways, then you should be keeping in mind the gas mileage.
That's true.
Or check even a hybrid car. Those are usually not as expensive as fully electric vehicles.
Yeah, I do agree with you. Although, to play devil's advocate, I think a lot of people justify buying a new car because they're like, oh, it's going to save me money. When in reality, they go out and finance like a $30,000 car. And then they have a huge payment on it. And it's like, well, you probably should have just kept your older car anyway.
Yeah.
Like, don't go out and finance a brand new car to try to save 20 bucks. You know what I mean? Don't like to save 20 bucks in gas. Like,
it's like not worth it.
It's not worth it. And then your new car that you buy is going to go way down in value when you put a ton of miles on it. You're going to be upside down in your car loan. I think you're way better off buying a cheaper car, like a $5,000 to $10,000 car, and just using that. Try to find one with low miles. Go on Facebook. Don't go to a car dealership. Buy one private party. I don't know. Take it to a mechanic. Ask him to check it out before you buy it. Like, do all these things, and going with the budget when you buy your car. When you're buying a car that's $8,000, tell him, hey, I'm only looking to spend $6,000. He might say no, but then, the fifth person might say yes. So, like, there are really good deals out there, especially when people are trying to sell cars fast. So,
yeah.
There's tons of YouTube videos you can watch about buying cheaper cars on Facebook and practices to keep in mind. But yeah, obviously, if you can afford to buy an electric car, then yeah, there are some cheap ones.